welcome. Today we are talking about the topic of the standards between schools and colleges in terms of rules. Hi Charlotte!
Hello.
Okay, so your first question is, do you think extreme hairstyles in school is distracting for other students and teachers?
I think it wouldn't be if abnormal hair was a normal thing. I think they've made it an abnormal thing, so it's distracting to students.
But do you think that if students were allowed to wear, have like extreme hairstyles and colours, do you think that would ruin their education of sorts?
No, because if it were a normal thing, they wouldn't think twice if it's big.
Do you think the rules in schools compared in terms of school uniforms are fair?
Fairer than how?
Well, you might have noticed recently, well it's been going on for quite a while, but there've been a lot of things in the papers about schools enforcing new school rules, like not only about hair colour and piercings, but also the type of uniform they wear. So like we've seen quite a few things in papers about girls can only wear the skirts to a certain length and they can't wear skinny trousers and things like that. Do you think that's fair as a policy?
I think it's a bit too strict. I don't think it's got all to do with your education.
So would you say that students should be allowed to wear this type of uniform? Or
Well, I'd say that in college there aren't any uniforms and people work just fine, so I don't see why there should be a difference in school.
do you think people should be treated the same in schools as they are in college? In terms of like uniform and being able to wear whatever hair they want and things like that. Do you think rules in schools concerning hair colour or piercings bring a benefit to students? So do you think that with the teachers in schools, the fact that they've enforced these rules, do you think it brings a benefit to students?
I think it could do, because some kids could get bullied for it, but I don't think it affects any education.
Do you think these rules in schools take away individuality from students?
Yeah, definitely. It really restricts you.
In what way?
Like, you can't look how you want to look.
Do you think these rules should be similarly enforced in colleges? So, you know, like how you've got the rules in schools and you haven't in college. Do you think colleges should start actually enforcing the same rules?
No, because in college you're an adult. I don't think you should have those kind of rules in place. I think you should be allowed to express yourself.
So why do you think, because like I know you said like in college you're actually an adult so you should be allowed to do, but so why do you think there's one rule for schools and a different for college? Like, because it's still education at the end of the day, isn't it? So
maybe because college is more of a choice, and school you've got to go to it so they can apply more rules in it.
okay, thank you.